The purpose of this recording is to show you how to do a homework assignment through the Connect system. When you log into your Connect course, we've already talked about using your ebook. Here in the center of the home page is a link to your homework. For each assignment you do have 3 attempts, so when this shows that there's 3 remaining attempts, I have not yet started this homework. Click on the link to the assignment. It will review the directions. Do take time to read them. I did put notes in about things like rounding to tenths with the temperature conversions, which can help you to get right answers on your first try. It gives you the due date and tells you which attempt you're on. Then it launches the first question. There's a variety of types of questions. For this particular question, it is a drag and drop. So I have the various prefixes here, definitions, and I need to put them in the right place. So prefix for 100th would be centi, just drag and drop. And then I'm not going to take the time to do the rest of these, but I slide some into place. And I've completed the question. Up at the top, I see the Next button. In this section, there's lots of different conversions for me to do. So 3.5 grams is 3,500 milligrams. And I do some more questions. And when I'm done with this section of questions, again up at the top, I hit Next. Another drag and drop, so I can do this, or maybe I'm not ready to do this right now, so I click Next. And 1 teaspoon is, and I can't remember how many milliliters. So along the bottom, there are some resources for me to use. The Ask Your Instructor resource will give me an error because I am the instructor, but it will send an email for you so that you can ask me a specific question. You can report a content issue, so if you're certain that it's wrong or it's right but they're counting it wrong, you could report that. References I didn't find helpful. It's more the metadata about what the questions matched up with, but the ebook is very helpful. So if I click on the ebook, it shows me which pages. So I'll click on a page and it will take me directly to my ebook in the section that's talking about this information. So it's giving me abbreviation, etc. So I can reference my ebook from right here in my homework. And so I do some questions and again click Next. Now I'm at temperature conversions. Once again, I don't know my formula yet, so I can just click on the ebook and it'll take me right to the page where the formula is listed, so I can do the math there. And this is where I told you to round to tenths, so you'll see as you look at some of their examples, the rounding that is to the 10th of a degree. So when I'm done, at the top I click Submit Assignment. It's telling me that some of my questions are blank. Because this is a demo, I'll submit anyway. And now it gives me feedback. So I can see I got this first one in the right place, and I've earned 1 out of the 7 points on that question. I can page through my assignment again. I got 1 right, and I have many that I left blank, so they're counted wrong. And continue to page through the assignment and have my feedback. Again, because I'm an instructor, my scores don't count, but for you, you can click up here and go back to your home page and redo just those questions that you got wrong. And that's where you may redo the assignment up to 3 times.